Welcome to Hybiz News. This is Monica Rajendran. Acer, the global PC brand, today announced the launch of its Predator Helios 300 laptop in India, equipped with octa-core Intel Core i7 mobile gaming processors and comes with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs for an outstanding combination of high-performance gaming experience. Acer's Predator Helios 300 offers the best all-round performance when it comes to gaming, starting at rupees 1,19,999. This slim gaming dynamo can tackle the most demanding games with ease. The slim form factor packs a punch under the hood with best-in-class hardware including up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, a blazing fast up to 240 Hz IPS display with a 3 milliseconds response time for smooth gaming, and 3D simulated surround sound with DTS-X Ultra audio fine-tuning. The laptop offers plenty of high-speed storage to fill up from your game library. Also, it comes from proprietary cooling solutions with 4th generation AeroBlade 3D fans for high-efficient cooling with gaming offer consistent performance under high workload. Speaking on the launch, Sudhir Goel, Chief Business Officer, Acer India, said, "Our newest Helios 300 gaming laptops powered by the NVIDIA RTX 30 series graphics cards are all set to redefine gaming experience in the Indian market. With our latest offering, we aim to elevate their gaming experience further and offer unbeatable features at this price for serious gamers who want to take their gaming to the next level." The laptop offers the perfect blend of high-performance hardware, beautiful, crisp, fast, refreshing screen, and ergonomic design for long hours of gaming with outstanding audio. We are proud to bring this to our Indian gaming audience.